Madami kayong curious, ano? Bakit ako lumipat from NJ? Ba't ako lumipat ng Nevada? The real reason is this. It's a personal decision. Sunod na lang yung cost of living. Although some stuff here are expensive compared to New Jersey, like the car registration, yung gas. Overall, especially sa rent or housing, it's really less expensive here to rent or even to buy a house. Before you move, you have to weigh things. One good reason for moving here is wala nga state tax. Another thing, yung mura nga ang housing. Ang hindi ko nakita agad is yung car expenses, yung car registration, and yung gas. Talagang mahal. Hindi ko na-research yung annually, ganun yung gagastusin mo. You can check out my videos about that. Another thing to consider, this is the most important thing. Before you move, may magiging trabaho ka ba? As a home care nurse for 3 years, swerte ko because apparently there are over than 100 home care agencies dito sa Nevada. I actually just know less than 5 of them. I never thought na abundant ang demand ng home care nurses dito. When it comes to working in a hospital, for example, before ka mag-move from your state, especially from New Jersey, you have to decide whether if you are a home care nurse like me, are you going to keep on working as a home care nurse or gusto mong mag-work sa hospital? Gusto mong mag-work sa behavioral health facility? Or for example, you want to be a nurse practitioner someday. You want to go that route. Before you leave your state, especially in New Jersey, you gotta get the experience from the hospital while you're there. Kasi pagdating dito, ang competition to get in a hospital, grabe. Actually, I tried for more than a month now na nag-try ako mag-apply. It sucks. And I searched online just recently, actually just this week. I tried to look for groups who post hiring stuff on Facebook kasi na-try ko na sa LinkedIn, na-try ko na with Google, ZipRecruiter, and everything else. I tried Facebook. I found out there na hindi na pala ako nakaka-experience ng ganon, na yung job market for nurses dito sa Las Vegas, especially if you want to work sa hospital, is mahirap. There's this lady who said out of everything na in-applyan niya, she only landed 1 interview. And sinabi pa sa kanila na 24 spots lang ang available sa position na yon as a registered nurse. Pero ang applicants like 150 plus. Yung demand is not so much here for registered nurses in the hospital. You have to consider that. If you're moving to Las Vegas, Nevada especially, are you going to continue working in a home care setting or sa hospital setting? Because if you want to move to a hospital, habang nasa New Jersey ka pa lang, where the job market is really, really abundant for nurses, every time you apply, you would always land an interview. That's New Jersey. That's in Ocean County. You gotta grab that opportunity. While you're working in home care, mag-work ka part-time in a hospital or in a skilled facility or in a behavioral health facility, so that once you completed your contract, you move to another state, you try, especially in Nevada, you try to apply here, mas may edge ka na, mas mapipili ka na, even just to land 1 interview. 1 interview. And sa mga nagtatanong, thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.